outside, right back with a hard verse. Snakes in the grass, I'm ready to do the yard work. Stay up, king, know the God work. Never seen a positive outcome from niggas putting abroad first. My bro spin quicker than fan blades and keep a grip on them like a gentleman's handshake.
Yeah, like I was saying, that's why I think it's dope that we got y'all doing this shit so people can see the Midwest platform and understand the stories we got. You know, we understand my party. Yeah, so we got to understand like who our legends is, who the people is that work. So that's crazy. So a lot of niggas on the outside looking in, they don't know how big an X is. A nigga might be down playing X Factor and you know he a pioneer in this shit. Like
that's a legend. That's a, you know what I mean? You can't say that card is a top shelf card. You got Calico Reed, you an X Factor. You know what I'm saying? You got motherfuckers.
Bill.
Yeah, you got a lot of fucking
and Rex.
Yeah.
These are all niggas. Everybody I named, I came up watching.
Coming out there, man.
That's a heavy hit.
It's gonna be a movie, bro. It's gonna be a movie. Yeah. So, I mean, it's just time. It's just time to show the upper echelon of Midwest battle rap and the whole battle rap. Like, it's just my time. I'm here now. You feel me? Like, that's just what the mindset I'm attacking this shit with.
You gotta go out there, man, do what you do, man. You know what I'm saying? You like Randy Orton of this shit right now, fool.
I gotta do it, man.
Legend killer, fool. You gotta come in here, you know what I'm saying? Keep it going, man.
And a lot of this shit on YouTube. All these battles on YouTube, none of them on URL or nothing. You feel me? And we working it. Even come and show them what the Midwest can do. Or anybody who wanna get better.
Niggas know what we can do. It's coming back. It's coming back to us now. You know what I mean?
Midwest been keeping the battle rap alive the whole 24.
Yeah, you know what I mean? We the energy right now. Chicago, Milwaukee, St. Louis, Michigan, Cleveland. You know what I mean? Even Indiana doing their thing on the low. Minnesota doing their thing on the low. Like this where the energy at right now. You got the shit in Michigan. You got X Factor. And you got Snake Eyes after that, right?
Yeah. So throw back to Midnight Madness. Me and him, you know, we both was at the first Midnight Madness event, made history, money off the flow.
Yeah, y'all both on belts and shit.
Don Q was in there judging. It was dope. It was fire. You know what I'm saying? So, and plus, you know, me and when the promo started, y'all not finna stop talking. Y'all not finna stop talking. We finna talk crazy. We gonna get smoke on 100K on that motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? So we just working.
Yeah, me and Mac been going crazy on the promo too, roasting the shit out of each other.
Funny as fuck, man.
I cooked that nigga though. I cooked him with that motherfucking.
I cooked him with that picture. Something crazy, bro.
Yes, I'm damn near done. Damn near done.
Yeah, Snake Eyes got 2 battles before he battled me, and I got this X Factor battle. So. You know what I'm saying? We don't see each other till May. Well, I think he already battled K Walker, and now he got Riggs on the Riot. So I'm gonna pop out to that. I'm gonna be there, nigga.
Yeah. In Florida, that's a good card too.
Yeah, I'm gonna pop out to that.
Rock and A Ward.
Smoke it!
Fire.
How you feel like about when you got the call and it was X Factor? Was you like, oh yeah?
Oh no, it really what it was is when I seen he was doing the shit, I called Calico myself, like, hey Cal, I need parts, bro. Like, you feel me?
True.
And then he told me, he like, man, that's crazy, because I just saw X Factor and said he need to battle a nigga like you. So I say, well, nigga, it's meant to be there, book it. You feel me? He called me back like an hour later, like it's booked. You know what I'm saying? So that's how that happened. And I'm honored, BMF. Battle League, you feel me? My name Meech. It's only right. The stars
hey, you might
look. It's definitely a
kick it off like that. You know what I'm saying?
See how the stars align. You feel me?
You see me?
Yeah.
BMF.
Yeah. So I mean, I'm grateful for the opportunity. I see a lot of people saying they popping out. I seen Skilla maybe say he coming. I seen Bodie James say he's sliding.
I'm seen next week after that.
He's sliding. You feel me? We need all our like Midwest artists and shit to support this shit. You feel me? Like
that's how we
come check this shit out. You feel me? I'm trying to get this nigga Cowboy to come to an event now and out in the Shy and see if we can get Twist Up, Bump, or you know,
man.
We need that support from them, man.
This smoke room shit,
us, man.
This LA versus Chirac shit, this smoke room shit. We gonna make the most of it.
That shit, the smoke room shit, that's just. Whew, it's gonna be a weekend, baby.
It's gonna be different.
It's gonna be crazy. Some niggas and we gonna show y'all it's safe and it's beautiful.
I'm finna get physical flyers made for that shit.
What? Ab versus Big T. I'm hosting that day. The second day two, first day one I'm headlining.
Yeah,
day two I'm hosting. You feel me? So it's gonna be crazy. We gonna be in this bitch, man. We gonna make it. It's gonna be. Ooh, it is in here. Oh man.
Yeah, man.
We might need to do the battles like over there this time, like on that other side. You feel me?
We should call it the Blazer might come out. Another Blazer might come out.
Yeah.
And
you got Mac Martin, right? Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Dude in the red jacket.
Yeah.
Look, man, I'm excited,
Might
man.
be a different color this time.
I'm rooting for the whole Chicago to just dominate.
We gonna hold the line. You know what I'm saying? Niggas got some good comp though. That's why I like everybody got.
No, it's gonna be a united front in this bitch.
Yeah.
You feel me? I'ma have merch. I'ma have vinyls for True North, CDs. You know, whatever. You know, somebody just. I'm gonna have t-shirts, merch, all my merch. I will be revealing May 18th and 19th at the Smoke Room event, man. So
yeah, get y'all motherfucking tickets.
So come get there, and we gonna make it happen.
So make sure y'all copy y'all tickets. You got a Cash App or Zelle, the Smoke Room Battle League. Don't do the
Eventbrite. They had an Eventbrite link, but
don't fuck with Eventbrite. Go right to the consumer at John Wick, Miss Shirley. Make sure y'all there, man. We gonna make it a real. It's gonna be NFL. I'm so proud of the whole everything in Chicago and the Midwest doing. I'm grateful.
One of us.
DM one of us. We'll get y'all. We'll get y'all together for sure. For sure, man. But yeah, it's time, bro. That's it. That's it, man.
You got something else you want to tell us about? We don't know about. We need to know about. Get down to.
I mean, it's a few things I can't announce yet. Be looking out for details about that Verb shit. You know what I'm saying? In St. Louis, we gonna make it like a grand Midwest event, nigga. It's gonna be. You gonna want to be there. It's gonna be great, man. So more details with that, but nigga Verb working, I'm working. You know what I'm saying? But we definitely gonna work, man. I deserve this shit, man. We here. We deserve this shit. We deserve this shit.
That's a fact, man. Motherfuckers put in a lot of work. Motherfuckers, you know what I'm saying? Motherfuckers got shit lit. Then it was like a down period, and now shit is back super lit. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And it ain't how it was where you got niggas trying to kick up dust because they might not be where they want to be. So I
feel like we gonna always have that because it's real competitive out in Chicago and the whole Midwest. But it's like if we gonna be competitive, let's do it right. Let's get some battles. Let's get some things going. If Black Ice and them got a team, if TOS got a team, Smoke Room got a team, the Minnesota niggas got a team. Let's get it. Let's put some money on the floor. Let's make some money. Let's throw these events.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Ain't no niggas really making $10,000 a battle through here like that. So let's make it happen. Let's make the money together. Let's grow and build the scene and do it the proper way. You feel me? Because
that's what I'm saying. That's
what the people want to see. The Midwest always been the energy of the culture. You feel me? Always. That shit wasn't lit until the Midwest movement started. You feel me?
I wasn't. That's a fact.
So the Midwest gonna always hold that type of stigma, like, all right, we the energy. Clearly, we the heart of this shit, So that's how I fucking see it, man.
Yeah,
I give myself a role to play in
Mill was a movie.
Milwaukee.
Everybody pulled up.
I didn't even know I was gonna see all of the people there in Milwaukee, bro.
Yeah.
That shit was
New York
beautiful,
was in that bitch deep.
What? New York, I've never seen that many New Yorkers in the Midwest at once in my life. That shit was fire, though. It was just so fire to be, and that's what be so great. Like the spaces and shit is cool, but when you pop out to events and you get to just see people enjoy what you do. You know, Cut had a fucking all-star performance against Mac that day. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It felt good to see my man back home doing this thing. I get paid a fool. Can't keep a good nigga down. We here, you know.
That was definitely a breakout
Hey,
battle.
that shit was funny as hell. I had all my niggas in the building too, boy.
Yeah.
This nigga Tru coming the back like, yeah, I'm on that nigga Cut ass.
Oh yeah, I covered every time. I'm like, any nigga named Cut Eastwood, I'm knocking them the fuck out. Dog. Niggas was like, niggas was creeping up on the side of me and shit. I'm like, oh, these my niggas, man. I'm just
On bullshit. I was on bullshit that day. But yeah, that definitely was a breakout battle.
I'm glad that nobody just punched me though. Like, you know, it's all good.
What battle you feel was your breakout battle that was like, yeah, I'm here now. They got a
Mine is the old red battle. Like, but I know everybody love the Geechee battle and shit. In the Geechee battle, I felt like, I mean, I can't deny it. That's my biggest battle, you know, the Geechee battle, you know. But as far as like what I feel is like when I'm like, okay, I'm here, is when I battle Red, because that was like one of my favorite battlers coming up. He was a nigga who I watched and shit, so I'm like, alright, well,